out, mate. Sniper. Go on, Rio. Sniper hit me right in the cheek.
What?
Sniper hit me right in the cheek.
That was good, wasn't it? Huh?
Sniper over there hit me right in the cheek. Right there, in the shield.
That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah. Huh? We lost. Keep going back. Keep going back over that way. What? Back that way. That way. Left more, left. No, it's in the shield.
Oh, okay, cool.
I knew it was coming anyway. I thought.
Well, the thing was, you're sort of coming across, so just got cut from the tree,
Yeah.
and let out, and you moved, and then you stood there, and I fired it, and it rose up, and it caught. I wanted to
That's
come
all right.
up underneath.
No, it hit on the mesh,
okay,
so
good.
good shot anyway.